everyone, welcome back to my channel. As you guys can tell from the title above, today I'm doing a review on the Dionysus Gucci bag and I'm so excited, so let's get right into it. Okay, so let's get into it. So I've had the Gucci Dionysus bag for a while now, and so I was like, okay, let me do a review of having it for at least, I think it's been 7 months or so, or 6 months, I think since January. I'm not too sure, I don't really remember. So I just wanted to show you guys how it looks like now and a little bit more details on it and a review on it. Okay, I still have it in its box. This is how I store all like my bags. They are usually in here. I already took it out. So here it is. Alright. So this is the bag. Just like that. Okay, so this is the Gucci Dionysus medium, in the size medium. And honestly, it's a great bag. It's a very luxurious bag, of course. It is quite heavy for sure. It is definitely a heavier bag. It's on the heavier sides. Definitely when you have it on your shoulder, and so like it's heavy, but you get used to it. Like the bag is empty right now and it's already heavy, and usually when you add more things, it's also heavy. I usually wear it also like a double strap, or I also do the, when I'm feeling like really lazy, I just do the over the shoulder as well, just like that. I think that style is also very cute. If you guys want to look at it a little bit closer, just looks like this. It's a really great quality bag, but yes, it is heavy, definitely on the heavier side of handbags that I have. But yeah, so it looks great. I love the style. It really honestly matches many different styles and colors, to be honest, because at first I was kind of worried with the color. I wasn't sure, but because it is neutral, I found that it goes really well with a lot of things. It just works. Okay, so let's get in the inside of the bag. So when you open the bag, you have to press the inside. There's a button on the inside. You guys will see like this thing on the side that you have to click, and then it opens from there. Don't try pulling it off because you will break the bag. Well, it's definitely higher quality than that, but you might damage the bag for sure. So the inside looks like that. Okay. And the great thing I like about this bag, it has a lot of space. Like honestly, it fits everything. It fits my wallet, my Gucci wallet. It fits in here, and I'll be doing a review. I'll basically be doing a review on all the bags that I own, but it fits in here and it's perfect. And I love that it has a zipper, because sometimes you want to keep things in an area that has a zipper, because if like you do this, something might fall out from the sides or something like that. If it's small, obviously if it's big, it's not gonna fall out. But I love this zippered area, and inside it has the Gucci logo as well, so that's really cute. Really high quality. And also a really cool thing that I like about this bag is it has a front flap and like a little pocket in there as well. Like not a lot of people know about that little secret pocket, but it's like a lot of fun because you could just put something in there and then close it, and then it just literally just, you know, hides everything. So the one thing is the suede. So having this for a while, you guys can see a little bit more of the, you know, whenever you touch or handle it or whatever, close open, it does kind of leave a little bit, I don't know if you guys can see that, it leaves a little bit of like lines and stuff, but that's because it is suede, and the pressure from the button or whatever, the like the little strap thing, like it leaves dents and stuff. But honestly, it's not bad. I think it still looks pretty clean, but suede, if it gets dirty, if your makeup touches it, it's a little bit harder to clean. But yeah, so that's how it looks like. It's really cute. And then you can close it like that. And the other cool thing, it is another pocket out here. It's suede, and then inside it has the logo as well. Honestly, like a really great bag. I love it. Fell in love with it. Still in love with it. I don't wear it all the time, but when I do wear it, it's definitely with a, like, it doesn't have to be with a classy outfit, to be honest, because I've worn this with jeans and a white top before. A casual outfit. It just, but when you put this on, it brings the outfit way further. It becomes a little bit more classy and stuff. So yeah, so that's how it looks like. Yeah, so I love this bag. I would rate it a 10 out of 10. And yeah, so that's basically it. Thank you DBRIGHT Squad for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in my next video, which will probably be another review. Bye!